Hi guys, with this next section of Chromebook tips, I'm going to answer some common questions that I have gotten about using a Chromebook. The first one is, how do I left click and right click now? So you'll notice that your trackpad is just one total rectangle. There's no like separate buttons for left and right clicking like there is on a Windows laptop. So just clicking once on this is just going to click once. If you need to left click on something to bring up that options bar, what you have to do is just take 2 fingers and just gently tap this without clicking. So you want to just touch it without actually clicking all the way down. And that should allow you to left click in any program. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you with your keyboard is how to access all of the different shortcuts that you can use your keyboard for. So to do that, you're first going to need to hold down the Control button right here and your Alt button right here, and then push your question mark key. So again, that's Control, Alt, question mark. When you do that, you will get a list of shortcuts that you can use with your keyboard so that you can do things more quickly. Over here on the left, you can see there's other options as well. If there are things you want to do with tabs or windows, page and web browsers, there's a whole bunch of different things that you can do in here that you can use your keyboard for, and I highly recommend going through these to make your life a little bit easier. Okay, for this next one, I'm going to show you how to turn on caps lock because you no longer have a caps lock button on your keyboard. If you want to type in caps lock, all you have to do is hold down the Alt button on your keyboard right here, and then press this search button, which is like the little magnifying glass. So you're going to hold Alt and click that search bar. So as you can see right here, I've got lowercase, but if I hold down Alt and push search, I can type in caps lock. And to turn it back off, you just push Alt or hold Alt and push search to turn it back off again. The next thing I'm going to show you are some gestures that you can use your keyboard to do. So this one specifically has to do with your trackpad. So you can move between tabs without actually clicking on the tabs at the top. And you can do that by that same gesture that we used to left click, where you just touch with 2 fingers without pushing. You would do the same thing, but with 3 fingers, and you would just swipe on your trackpad with those 3 fingers to move between tabs.